Beautiful Range Rover Vogue 2021, 3-litre diesel, great colour combination, Eiger Grey, which is the new Land Rover grey metallic colour, which is stunning, with the factory black pack, contrasting black roof, 22-inch wheels, and then you've got them Atlas vents in black, part of that black pack, so it looks tremendous. The car's done 4,800 miles, it's £79,990, few months old, and it's, as you would expect, in absolutely beautiful condition. But for me, it's the way it's been spec'd, the colour, the black pack, the styling, the grille, the badges, the front splitter here, finished in black, and beautiful car to drive, comfort, luxury. Wheels, as you can see, 22-inch, split spoke, in gloss black, and then that all works beautifully well. You've then got the gloss black mirrors, the contrasting roof, the Atlas vents, which I touched on earlier. They're massive, and they're just a big insert in the doors, and then that strip runs all the way along. You've then got privacy glass on the front, and on the back, you can see them beautiful LED cubed lights, black badging. It just looks right, And you know, if you're looking at a Vogue, people love black styling package, contrasting black roof, 22-inch wheels. They're the key features to make the car look how it does. Moving on inside, you've got full specification with it being this model. So you've got memory seat with all the different lumbar support, Meridian sound system. The car's, as you would expect, in as new condition. Beautiful black leather. You've got a sliding panoramic sunroof as well, which is an optional extra because, believe it or not, a Vogue doesn't come with a sunroof, but this has got it. And then inside you've got leather steering wheel, keyless start. Let's just open that roof as well. And it's got a lighter roof lining as well, which just brightens the car up inside as well. So you've got the glass roof, but then you've got the lighter roof lining. Heated steering wheel, and then other things that the car's got. You've got all your touch screen, we've got your reversing camera, and then you've also got, all your different touch screens, your Apple CarPlay. If we go into our seats, obviously you've got all heated. You've got a refrigerator in the centre there as well, USB charging points, and you just feel there's bags of space in a Vogue. Your seating position's lovely and high. They're just a big presence on the road, and they drive really, really well. This car, like I said, spec'd right. It's only done 4,800 miles, so you'll benefit from all your Land Rover warranty, all your Land Rover assist. In the back again, you see, you've got rear electric seats, you've got Meridian speakers built in, rear climate control, rear heated seats. But the car it's like new. Bags of space in the back as well. Split folding tailgate, so you've got, again, massive boot. Press the button and that's up all electronically. And then you can see the boot space is massive. But if you come round here, you can adjust your suspension there, and you can adjust all the seats, all electronic. So press the buttons if you want to drop the seats down. But that's how, for me, that's a great looking Vogue. The colour, the wheels, the roof. You can see now the pan roof's open. Latest model, priced on the money to sell, £79,990. Stunning Eiger Grey Range Rover Vogue.